G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee from Edward Lee's. This car is beautiful. I don't get excited about every car that comes in, but I've just driven this GTO around the block and it's an absolute weapon. I don't quite know what's been done under the bonnet. It looks fairly stock, but this goes twice as good as most other GTOs I've driven. It must have been boosted a little bit somehow. It's got a free-flowing exhaust system on it, and this thing just runs like a scalded cat. Very fast car, 6-speed Getrag gearbox, twin turbo, 4-wheel drive. It's got beautiful TN adjustable coilovers, so you can see it's got a nice stance on it, and it feels like it wants to stick to the road like glue to a blanket. And look at the condition of this thing, straight as a gun barrel. Beautiful pearl white paint, very low mileage. It's got a beast of a drain pipe on the back here, looks like a brand new stainless system. It's just gorgeous. Now bigger guys like myself like this seat as well. It's got a very comfortable Recaro seat designed for bigger guys. It holds you in nice and snug. Have a listen to this thing. Wow. This thing's a beast. Look at the sparkles in the paintwork. Pearl white. You can see the colour there. The interior is beautiful as well. It's a non-smoker's car. All the shut lines on this car are very, very clean and nice. The door trims, beautiful. Leather steering wheel, beautiful. 66,000 Ks. It's just lovely. It's got a beautiful set of BBS rims on it as well. Look under the bonnet. Icy cold air conditioning. Front end is very nice as well. Sometimes those headlights, the paint can peel off a little bit due to the nature of the way they're designed. This is very nice, this one. Neat and tidy. Lights here today might need to be covered in. Adjustable coilovers, damper adjustable, camber and car adjustable, and height adjustable. Driving lights down low. I can't find a mark or a scratch on this little puppy, it's beautiful. If you'd like to look at this car, give us a call at Edward Lee's. Our number is 02 97440539. Go to our website for price, edwardlees.com.au. Just come and say g'day. That's my ugly mug there. G'day, Phil Lee. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to call me direct, my mobile is 0416 285 333. If you're in the hunt for something special, this is certainly special. Twin turbo, 4-wheel drive, 6-speed. Just sounds good. Thanks for watching.